Taking care of your car can be hard, but if you have proper equipment, you can make a problem you might have on the side of the road much easier to handle. No matter how good they are with mechanics, every driver can benefit from having a well-organized set of tools in their car. Not only do these basics give you the power to do regular maintenance and easy repairs, but they also get you ready for emergencies. This video talks about the essential car maintenance tools that every driver should have with them at all times. This way, you'll be ready for anything the road may bring. Number 10. Milwaukee 24x7-20 M12 Cordless 3R8. The Milwaukee 24x7-20 M12 Cordless 3R8. Subcompact ratchet is small, but it's very strong, with up to 35 FTLBs of torque and 250 RPM. Its low-profile head and recessed forward-backward switch are designed to work well in tight areas and keep the switch from being accidentally pressed. With an onboard fuel gauge and LED lights, it makes it easier to see and keep an eye on power levels. With RedLink intelligence built in, it controls power flow to keep things from getting too hot. Number 9. Teng Tools. The Teng Tools. 19. Piece 3-inch 8-inch drive. Metric socket set is a complete set of tools made to be precise and last a long time. This set is made from high-quality chrome vanadium steel and comes with a variety of useful tools, like a ratchet, a universal joint, extensions, a spinner handle, and a T-bar adapter, so it can be used for many different tasks. The standard shallow sockets have a 6-point design for better grip and torque and range in size from 8mm to 22mm. This toolkit promises to be reliable and last a long time. Its satin finish makes it easier to hold onto when hands are dirty. This set from Teng Tools comes with a lifetime guarantee, so you can be sure it will be useful for both professionals and hobbyists. Number 8. Lug Nuts. You can use the OMT M14X15 Lug Nuts set on Ford F250, F350, Super Duty, Chevy Silverado, and GMC Sierra trucks. They were carefully designed to fit models from 2003 to 2015. These lug nuts are made from carbon steel and have a black plating on the outside to make them last longer and prevent corrosion. They are 2 inches long and have a conical seat that makes sure they fit securely and look good. The set comes with 32 lug nuts, which are all you need to upgrade or replace the wheel lug nuts on Super Duty 8 lug cars. Also, each set comes with a heavy-duty nut socket to make setting them up simple. Number 7. Mechanics Tool Set. With its 232 pieces, the Gear Wrench Mechanics Tool Set is a complete set made from alloy steel with a polished finish that makes it last and prevents rust. This set comes with a range of full polish chrome, SAE, and metric 1/4 and 3/8 standard and deep sockets, as well as 72 tooth ratcheting wrenches with a minimum 5-degree swing arc for easy use in small spaces. This mechanics tool set comes in a handy 3-drawer storage box and is made to meet the needs of both professional and amateur mechanics by giving them high-quality tools for a variety of auto jobs. Number 6. LED Flashlight. With an output of 1300 watts and 6 Energizer Max AA batteries, the Energizer Vision Pro LED flashlight is made to be as reliable and effective as possible. The tough aircraft-grade metal that it's made of makes it last a long time. It's also IPX4 waterproof and impact-resistant up to 1 meter, which makes it perfect for outdoor activities and emergencies. This flashlight can be used for many things, from home projects to camping trips, thanks to its advanced features, such as its long range, high power, adjustable light modes, and ability to work in all kinds of weather. Number 5. Large Hammer. The Life Hammer Safety Hammer Plus is an important emergency escape and rescue tool. It has a seatbelt cutter with a non-slip grip and a hardened steel blade for cutting through jammed seatbelts, as well as a double-tipped hammer with hardened steel tips for breaking tempered side window glass. This item has been thoroughly checked and approved by TÜV, which is Europe's strictest safety certification body. This guarantees that it is reliable and works well. Number 4. Insulated Screwdriver Set. The Weha 32091 screwdriver set has 5 shielded screwdrivers that can be safely used up to 1000 volts. This makes it perfect for working with electricity. This set has both slotted and Phillips head drivers, so it can be used for a lot of different jobs that need to be done precisely and safely. Each tool is made to last and keep users safe, and it is thoroughly tested to meet ASTM, IEC, and VDE standards. This makes sure that both professional electricians and do-it-yourselfers get the best insulation and dependability. Number 3. Adjustable Oil Filter Pliers. The WorkPro 12. Adjustable oil filter pliers are made of high-carbon steel, which makes them stronger and more reliable. They can fit oil filters with a width of 2 to 3/8 to 4/12 inches. The bent head design of these pliers makes them easier to use in small areas, and the soft, non-slip red grips give you more reach and leverage. The Permalock fastener technology stops nuts and bolts from breaking, making sure that the tool for adjusting and replacing engine filters is strong and long-lasting. Number 2. Torx Bit Set. The Horus D 14-piece tamper-resistant star bit set is made from high-quality S2 alloy steel and is made to last and work accurately. This set comes with a connector and 13 tamper-proof star bits with sizes from T5 to T40. They are all nicely packed in an orange storage sleeve for easy access. These bits are great for many uses, like fixing cars, electronics, and home appliances. They are designed to be hard to change, and they have a hole in the middle to keep the cam from coming out. They also work with most standard plugs and power tool attachments. Number 1. Vehicle Code Reader. This is the Ansell AD410, an improved OBD2 vehicle code reader that works with most cars made in the US after 1996 and supports all the main OBDII protocols. It has important features like reading and clearing emission-related codes, turning off the check engine light, and testing the O2 sensor and EVAP system to fully diagnose the car. It makes troubleshooting cars easier for both experts and amateurs thanks to its 2.4-inch TFT color display and easy-to-use layout. This model will get free software updates from Ansell for life, making sure it stays up to date with the latest car standards. By taking good care of your car, you can make it last longer and perform better on the road. With the right car repair tools, every driver can confidently handle both regular maintenance and unplanned events. This video talks about some important tools that every car owner should have. These include the Milwaukee 24x7-20 M12 Cordless 3/8 subcompact ratchet for working in tight spaces, the Gear Wrench Mechanics tool set for making a wide range of repairs, and the Life Hammer Safety Hammer Plus for when you need it most. Modern diagnostic tools, such as the Ansell AD410 OBD2 Vehicle Code Reader, can be used right in your driveway. This makes car repairs easier than ever. By getting these tools, you're not only ready for the unexpected, you're also making sure that your driving experience is safer, more efficient, and more fun. Please like, share, and comment as we discuss these clever, and leave a comment to get more helpful information about keeping your car in good shape.